My name is Damon. I'm a senior and I go to East High School. My goals after I graduate are to become a welder and then eventually go to underwater welding. And then after underwater welding, I want to own my own welding company. The reason why I would tell other students to join is because it's really fun to do.
My name is Diaz. I'm a junior at East High School. It's my second year here. Over the summer I did an apprenticeship at Tejas, and we learned how to weld and how to fit up and how to use measuring tapes and how to read one, how to read blueprints, how to work off a blueprint. And we learned working ship skills from the other guys there. And we learned how to always be on time, never be late. My goals after I graduate from high school are to take a year to college of welding if I have to, and go into the welding business, probably work structural for a couple years and then get into the pipeline. Maybe do a little bit of underwater welding.
I'm Brian Acevedo. I'm a senior and I go to Victoria East. I joined the welding program because I wanted to expand my knowledge in welding and increase my skills for future career. After I graduate, I'll go to college and then I'll get my certifications for welding and get a job. If you're interested in this kind of thing, it's a good program to join. You'll learn a lot and it expands an opportunity for a new career.
My name is Tay Williams. I go to Victoria West High School and I'm a junior. I was interested in joining the welding program because it's a great occupation to do after high school. Some of the things I learned in welding are that you should always wear safety glasses, you should always wear a safety hood, and that you should always wear safety gloves because those are important in the welding shop. My goals after I graduate high school are to go straight into the workforce and become a welder and try to start my own business.